An Albert Genius renewal can fail if the app can't process your payment method, verify your account, or complete the renewal request through its billing system. By the end of this video, you'll know the most common reasons this happens and the steps that usually fix it. Start by opening the Albert app and checking the payment method linked to your account. If your debit card has expired, been replaced, locked, or doesn't have enough available funds, the renewal may not go through. Next, confirm that your billing information is current. If you've recently changed banks or received a new card, update those details before trying the renewal again. If everything looks correct, close the Albert app completely and reopen it. Temporary app glitches can interrupt subscription renewals, especially after an app update or a connection problem. After that, check for the latest version of the Albert app in your device's app store. Running an older version can sometimes cause account features, including subscription management, to stop working correctly. You should also make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if necessary, then try the renewal again. A failed connection during the payment request can prevent the process from finishing. If you're using Android, clear the Albert app cache from your device settings. If the issue continues, clear the app data and sign back into your account. If you're using an iPhone, uninstall the Albert app, restart your device, and reinstall the latest version before attempting another renewal. Next, check whether your bank declined the transaction. Some banks automatically block subscription payments if they detect unusual activity or require additional verification. Reviewing your banking app or contacting your bank can confirm whether the payment was rejected. Avoid submitting multiple renewal attempts one after another. Repeated requests while the system is still processing a previous attempt can create additional delays or temporary account errors. If the renewal still fails, contact Albert support through the app or the official support channels. Tell them that your Genius renewal isn't completing, explain what happens when you try, mention your device model, operating system version, and app version, and let them know what troubleshooting steps you've already completed. That information helps them investigate the issue more efficiently. To recap, verify your payment method, update your billing information, restart and update the app, use a stable internet connection, check whether your bank declined the payment, and contact Albert support if the renewal still won't complete. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe for more Albert troubleshooting guides, and check out our other app fix tutorials.